Emergence of English as a global language. Communication technologies have expanded the scope and nature of economic developments. It has led to the formation of countless multinational organizations. The competition among these multinational organizations have resulted in tremendous increase in international marketing and advertising. These developments in technology have also empowered first press and then broadcast media. The media has got this special power, especially because of the availability in any part of the world across borders. Communication technologies have also given a new look to mass entertainment industry, with movies and music being available on computer screens, on USB drives and discs. The desire for progress in science and technology has created an international intellectual environment which gives a special place to scholarship and education. Countries at the center of this plethora of activities were USA and Great Britain. Britain had already become the world's leading industrial and trading country by the beginning of the 19th century. Around the same time, England had also become the biggest colonial power, and it was said about the Great Britain that the sun never set on this empire. Wherever the English colonists went, they took English with them. Thus, English became a language on which the sun never set, which means English spread far and wide. After England, the USA also became a fast-growing economy. By the end of the 19th century, it had a population of 100 million. It also became the fastest growing and most productive economy in the world. Thus, the world presence of English, which was established by the British colonists, was maintained by the supremacy of America as a superpower, thus making English a truly global language.